everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what are the major changes coming to you in 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So let's see, Capricorn, what are the major changes coming to you in 2024 for Capricorn? Okay, so you have the 10th house, which is about your career. Meron ditong Neptune in Scorpio. Oh. So I think you are going to be more deeply connected with your career. Ito yung tipong focus ka dyan ngayong 2024. Lalo na if you are pursuing creative, anything creativity, no, na related sa creativity mo. Yung mga creative talents mo, and also imagination, no, yung imaginative energies mo. Especially kung nasa yung pagiging artista, ganun. Or you are into acting, you are into content creation, entertainment, ganyan. So I think you will be more dedicated sa career mo ngayong 2024. You also have a was, so this is about travel, teamwork, no? Pwede ring you will be collaborating with more people or companies ngayong 2024, especially if you are a content creator, social media influencer. May mga opportunities for you to collaborate with others. So you also have Suwilu. Suwilu is energy. This is the energy of the sun, illumination, joy, and light. So I think mas marami kang ma-accomplish ngayong 2024. It seems na parang halos walang pahinga. Pero of course, no, importante pa rin na merong pahinga. At kung may mga times na puro trabaho talaga, maghanap ka ng time para sa sarili mo para hindi ka rin ma-burnout, no? Yan. And one way for you na makapag-relax, makapag-distress is to travel. Kasi marami ka rin madidiscover about yourself sa pagta-travel. Even mga new opportunities like business ideas, makukuha mo rin yan through travel eh. Maraming mga nagta-travel sa iba't ibang lugar, especially sa ibang bansa. na meron silang makikita doon sa bansa na yon na existing business or products or services na wala pa sa local na na bansa nila. So example, ikaw you're from the Philippines and nag-travel ka, let's say sa Thailand or Singapore, and may nakita ka dong services or business or services or products na hindi pa nag-exist or hindi pa ganun ka lakas sa Pilipinas. So yun yung i-adapt mo. So that's what I'm seeing for you. You will discover things na magbibring ng bagong opportunities for you. This can also mean local, no? Pumunta ka sa ibang probinsya tapos na-realize mo na itong products na to sa probinsya na to pwede kong dalhin sa city and pwedeng dun mo ibenta, mga ganon. Or inspiration, no? You will gain inspiration from others through travel. So let's see what else. Capricorn. You have the 9 of Wands. Hindi ka mapapagod. Meron kang sapat na lakas na harapin lahat ng mga challenges na yan. Kasi hindi naman mawawala ang challenges. Okay? Ang importante is, meron kang sapat na lakas na harapin. Pagtagumpayan yan. You are the last person standing, kumbaga. You also have the King of Swords. So, a lot of ideas na hindi mo lang basta-basta gagawin just because nakita mo sa iba or just because sa tingin mo maganda ito. Pag-aaralan mo rin siya. If this is viable, if this makes sense, kung practical siya, mas realistic siya, kung gagawin mo. Okay? You also have the 5 of Swords. May mga competition sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. But I think if you will just focus on your craft, your skills, and whatever you do, hindi ka maapektuhan ng competition na yan eh. Yes, with the Magician, meron kang sarili mong natatanging talents, abilities, skills, na yun yung dapat mas bigyan mo ng focus. And I think mas pagyayamanin mo yan ngayong 2024. Meron kang imamaster na abilities, na skills na matagal nang nasa iyo, no? Pwedeng hindi mo lang talaga sineseryoso or for some of you, pwedeng wala kayong time ng mga nakaraang taon kaya hindi nyo yan nasusubukan. But ngayong 2024, a lot of discoveries about what you can do, what else you can do, especially related to your creative talents. You also have the Temperance. Mas magiging ka rin, patient, no? Sa growth mo. Hindi mo mamadaliin ang mga bagay-bagay because alam mo na lahat meron kailangang prosesong pagdaanan. You also have the 7 of Swords. Be careful sa mga makaka-deal mo with your finances. I think there are merong mga will try to collaborate with you or will try to partner with you pagdating sa business, but kailangan sigurado ka sa mga papasukin mo, no? Lalo na yung mga too good to be true na na business opportunities. Kaya nga, andito ka para pag-aralan mong maigi na yes, nare-recognize mo yung oportunidad doon, but at the same time, you are also going to investigate or learn more about it bago mo pasukin. Yes, and also another thing, you will focus on your connections with your family, strengthening your bond with your family. I think isa rin sa priority mo ngayong 2024 is to travel more with your family, lalo na kapag nagiging focus ka sa trabaho mo, and then sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, and then wala ka masyadong time sa family mo. So I think yun yung ang gagawin mo is yung time mo sa family mo is through travel. You will travel with them, you will go out with them, you will spend activities with them. You have Flamingo, Unity Heart. You are being called to work on collective healing. So some of you, Capricorn, ay nasa spiritual community. You are into spiritual teaching. You are sharing your knowledge. You're helping people. Pwedeng tarot reader kayo, astrologer, or you are using different forms of divination to help the collective. Take time to make clear decisions, bring awareness and light to the situation. Yes. So, ayun na nga. Take time to make clear decisions. So, hindi ka basta-basta papasok sa isang relationship, sa isang business nang hindi mo pinag-iisipang maigi. And Phoenix, empower. Fire activations bring creative and spiritual freedom. Yes. So, like what I mentioned kanina, yung career ninyo, yung career path ninyo na mas bibigyan nyo ng focus at attention ngayong 2024 is related to your creative pursuits. Merong i-activate dito ng mga talents and skills nyo na never nyo pang na-discover. But ngayong 2024, it will be activated and this will bring you financial freedom. Okay? And at the same time, may inspire nyo rin yung iba at mai-share nyo rin yung skills nyo sa iba, yung knowledge ninyo to inspire others, to motivate others. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.